Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be creating another fall inspired makeup look with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. So to start off this makeup, I am going to go ahead and prep my eyelids with the Maybelline concealer, getting it ready to apply that shadow. And to start off, I'm also going to be using my Airspun powder to set that concealer. And I'm going to be using this yellow color from my Jaclyn Hill palette as the transition color to start off this eye makeup look. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply it and blend it in until it has a nice color. Then I'm going to go ahead and go into my Born to Run palette using the color Baja, which is a very nice orange color. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it on top of that yellow. Then going back to my Urban Decay palette, I'm going to be using the color Punk, which is a dark brown. And I'm going to be focusing this color mainly on the crease. And with this color, I really want an intense color, so I'm going to go ahead and blend it several times, applying more shadow. And then since I'm going to be applying a green eyeshadow in the middle, this is going to be a halo look. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease in halo just in the middle of my eyelid. And with this, I think I'm also using that Maybelline concealer. I don't know why my camera had a hard time focusing. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the color Wanderlust, which is a beautiful green shadow. It's a shimmery green and it's really pretty. So as you can see, I'm blending the inner and the outer corner with that dark brown because I want this makeup look to be a halo look. Then I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Wet n Wild liner before applying the false lashes. I'm going to be applying some white eyeliner. Some mascara. We're going to go ahead and take off that tape and fix that eyeliner. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply the false lashes. I don't remember what these lashes are. I think it's Ardell. Ardell and Kiss are my favorite lashes. So with that Maybelline concealer again, I'm going to go ahead and conceal underneath my eyes. And then for this foundation, I'm pretty sure I used the Dior and the Born This Way foundation combined together. And then I'm going to go ahead and just fix my eyebrows. You guys know I use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. And I'm just going to go ahead and fix them. They were previously done, but you want to make them sharper. Then I'm just going to go ahead and smoke out the bottom lid. And I'm using that green color, which is Wanderlust. And then I'm using a Jordana lip liner. And I don't know what color this is because the name of the lip liner actually faded. But I'm using this matte lip thing, which is from Too Faced. I think it's something about chocolate is the name. And then that is pretty much this entire makeup look. Here I am on Snapchat. If you don't have me on Snapchat, make sure you look me up under my name because that is where I post mainly my makeup looks. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and I will talk to you later. Make sure to subscribe, comment below, and hit the notifications bell for more videos. Thank you guys. Bye.